Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Fitbit account login not working. So if you also want to fix Fitbit account login not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, make sure you provided the correct credentials. Sometimes it might not be working because your credentials are wrong. So make sure to check the credentials properly. If the problem still persists, you might have to update the application. For that, all you have to do is open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Simply tap on the search icon. Simply tap on the search option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in Fitbit. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for Fitbit. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option you might be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that your application will be updated and your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try clearing the cache of the application. For that, all you have to do is go to the app library. Now over here find the application for Fitbit. Once you find the application, all you have to do is long press on it. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for app info. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see the app info of Fitbit. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for notifications, permissions, storage and cache, mobile data and Wi-Fi, etc. Simply tap on the option storage and cache that you can see at the third. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you can see two options, clear storage and clear cache. Simply tap on the clear cache option that you can see right over here. After that your cache will be cleared. And after that your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that your login problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix Fitbit account login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.